Hello everyone, today we are going to see creation of key performance index, physical S curve, financial S curve, concrete, labor quantities and reinforcement quantity with the help of resource assignment done in the Primavera. So I am just going to select some resources from the Primavera. So I will go to resource assignment and this is my whole project resource. If you can see file gang, rig, project weightage, cost, material. In material I have a viaduct resources, concrete and reinforcement. So first I will go to filter and I will select resource id. So I have selected resource id under. So I have created the resource based on my trees, matlab different trees. So this is my project main resource, sample resource. In that I will select my material quantity, which is in this we have a viaduct resources. So we are going to use this resources for kpi, key performance index, then concrete and reinforcement. I will select viaduct resource, apply. Okay, now I required customize budgeted unit. So I will go to column and customize my requirement. So in activity codes, I have created some codes for the filter it out, linking the Excel with each other. So here I have a structure type having a code. So I will select structure type and apply, and I will open all my WBS. So if you can see in structure type, you can see file cap and peer. So I will copy all the resources from here, and here I have a in spreadsheet option. I have selected budgeted unit, cumulative budgeted unit, actual unit and actual cumulative units. Okay, apply. I will come to Excel and I will press all the distribution. Okay, so I will name this sheet as a main sheet for KPI. Now I will copy another resource. I will go here filter and display all active resources. I will select my physical weightage. Okay, so physical weightage we are going to use to see the schedule performance index. In simple terms, how much we planned and how much we achieved. Okay, I will again copy paste this resource. So I have the distribution here, project weightage. Now I required labors. So I will select active all resources. Okay. File gang labor. Last not the least, I required a invoice. So first I will go and change from spreadsheet option, unit from cost, actual cost, budgeted cost, and from cumulative cost I required actual cost and cumulative budgeted cost. Okay, apply. Filter, I will select the resource of main tree cost, apply. So this is my cost. So I have copied all the resources from my Primavera to Excel. So we will convert this sheet into a pivot chart. From with the help of pivot chart, we will create our main dashboard. Okay, so we will select all these resources and convert into pivot chart. Control A, insert into pivot chart and new sheet. So first we are going to create a key performance index. So I will name as a key performance index. Now I will select the field. So I want spreadsheet field because my actual unit, budgeted unit and cumulative budgeted unit are in my spreadsheet in Primavera. Now I required a value in the months. So my mainly project start from August. I will put here August, October, November, December, January, February. I am taking only up to a February, March for the example. Now I will go to chart and select data. Now I will flip the actual unit and the months. Okay, now just I will go and select Control F, replace sum of, and again one dash. So I will get month. Now I will hide this row and from change chart type I will go to combo and my cumulative unit and budgeted unit will be line. Okay, again I will go to showed field and in filter I will use a resource. So in filter I will select a resource type. So in resource type I have a three types of things. One is KPI, one is concrete and one is reinforcement. So I am going to select KPI. So this is the KPI for the whole project. So I want to add data table. Okay, and here I'm going to use chart title. I will click on chart title equal to KPI. This is my project KPI. So I will create new sheet dashboard, copy the sheet first, and here I will use slicer, okay, for structure type, and I will place here. And suppose I want to look KPI for the piling, so I will go and select piling. So this is my KPI for piling works. I will remove the, you can see this is my actual unit, budgeted unit, cumulative actual and cumulative budgeted. So we will interlink our KPI reinforced concrete with this slicer once we create all the graph. Okay, so again you can go to KPI main sheet and show field. Here if you want to add what type of resource ID you have, so you can go and legend resource ID name. So here you can see budgeted unit piles. If you selected pile cap, it will show the actual unit pile cap. Okay, so we have created interactive dashboard for the KPIs for all the major items. So now we are again going to our main sheet and insert another pivot chart. Okay, and for resource type, this time we are going to look for concrete. Okay, then again spreadsheet option we will select, and from the month of August we will select the values and add up to February month. Okay, it is same procedure, and again I will select data switch. Okay, I will come here, control F, replace sum of, okay, sum of, now replace 1 dash by 0, hide this value from the chart. Okay, change the chart type combo line. Okay, so now this is a concrete distribution for whole project. Chart type selected, we will go to formula bar and select concrete. Okay, again here we can select our, we will copy our concrete. Now we are going to copy our concrete dashboard. Okay, so this is our concrete distribution, planned versus actual for the whole project and all major equipment. So I will copy this graph and paste on my main page. I will just resize this particular graph and I will connect this slicer with this particular sheet number 9 and add data table. So this is my distribution. So if I select pile cap, okay, so it will show the pile cap distribution. So I go to this particular sheet, show, and I will select here legend resource ID name. So again it will show pile cap concrete and KPI for pile, so we can put. Okay, same way we again go to our main KPI sheet, insert pivot chart. Okay, so again in spreadsheet, again in Access we will select spreadsheet field, and for value we will select from August, November, December, January, February. Go to select data, switch the rows and column horizontal and vertical. From here we will use a filter again, resource type. Here we want to show the reinforcement, so I will select reinforcement. Hide this field value, deleted. Go to change chart type combo line. Okay, come here, data table. Now chart type, go to formula bar and select reinforcement, and again we will copy this to our main dashboard. This is our reinforcement. Again I will connect this slicer with another graph. Okay, so I will click here, select. Okay, now I will change suppose pile. Okay, so every graph will automatically change for the pile. Here I will come in my sheet 10, show fields. So in legend again I can use resource ID name and dashboard. So I come here, you can see piling reinforcement. So suppose I will select my peer, will show for peer KPI concrete and reinforcement. I will select pile, so it will show for pile. Now I want to create a labor histogram. So I will go to my labor, insert and pivot chart. Okay, spreadsheet option from August, September, October, November, December. Select data, swap the data, at this value, data type, it's okay. Chart title and our from we have a data table, copy and dashboard. We have a labor histogram. We will resize according to one more. Now we come into a two important thing: project weightage and our cost. Now if you see, my project weightage is in 10,000, so I want to convert this into a percentage. So whenever you copy from the Primavera, this sheet will be your main sheet. Always copy paste in same row. So we will give it main sheet and we will create a new, insert new sheet for weightage. Copy paste the initial and above row, copy. Now equal to, come to main sheet, divided by 10,000 percentage, because I have converted 100 percentage into a 10,000, because in Primavera we cannot give resources in more than 2 decimal place. So this is my percentage. Now I will spread my formula. So this is my whole project 100% plan and how much I achieved up to a particular update. So again I will convert this into spreadsheet, month up to which we want to draw a graph. Suppose now we want to show a graph up till a March, or we will take 100% graph to December. Then select web data, Control F, convert this into a percentage here, change into combo lines, the tables, chart title. You can give chart title, equal as curve. Want to change budgeted unit and to actuals, to plan. This is your S curve is ready. You can copy and paste on main dashboard. So this is your typical S curve. Same way for the cost, you will remove, Control F and R. Okay, insert new Excel. Here we will use formula and value divided by 10 to the power 7. So it will convert it into a crores value and insert a chart. Okay, same function, spreadsheet field, then all the values of the month, change, select data, swap the rows, again come here, Control F, sum of place. Okay, one slash replace field title, project voice, change combo line. Okay, you can add data tables, sorry, data tables, and this is your invoice for the project and project S curve. And you can do, if you go to all, select page layout of the grid view, so you can see the blank page. Here you can give third one row, project board border for print. So if you select, suppose here peer, so it will change for the all KPIs and all. And see what happened, every time you have just created the format. So whenever you have a update, suppose currently we have a update till January. Okay, till January we have a update. If you see in our KPI, we have update till January. We don't have any update for month of February. So once we update for the February month, we will copy paste all the main values in our main sheet and refresh the data. So we will generate a new graph for the month of 5. Same for everything, just we have to copy paste. For physical weightage, your formula will drive to the percentage, but for the cost you have to remove INR every time. So this is your physical S curve, and I have created two speedometer for SPI and KPI. So suppose if I copy paste both, for speedometer there is one different topic, so I just want, suppose I paste here to show you. And if I want to put formula, so I go to speedometer and my percentage complete. So if I go till the month of February, okay, planned is 56.66 and achieve is 54 point. So I will come here, okay, divide 54.16. Okay, you can link directly from their values. 55.68. So this is my KPI, two digit. Okay. For same for CPI, I can take example from the cost sheet. 106, 103. Okay, I will go to this particular. So I can link those value to my speedometer sheet. 03 divided by 1006. You can create for the project time frame, how much your project has completed, or the lapse or time remaining. So this is my SPI and CPI, schedule performance cost performance index. So you can have a such speedometer also on your dashboard. So if you want to learn all things, so we have a Primavera course launching from 18th of March. So you can connect or contact me on my mobile number. I will just give my detail after this video. So if you want to learn Primavera, so you can connect. So this is the, after you have given all the resource assignment and all, then you can generate this type of graph. So we will learn how to give resource assignment in trees, resources code, or activity code, which help us to link this KPI, concrete and reinforce all together. And if we have given resources for all the labor, so also we can link manpower histogram also for pile, how much labor are required. Even see in a S curve we have all the activities, so I cannot link with that. If we have a EPC, so we can link cost and physical percentage from the same slicer, and we can use for that. So this is all for this video. If you like the content, you can comment, or you can suggest if you want anything new or modification in this dashboard. Okay, thank you, bye.